Good morning and welcome to Miss Rhoadie. Today I will be showing you how I edit my Good morning and welcome to Miss Rhoadie. Today I will be showing you how I edit my title, text, and description. So right now I'm in the back end of my Zazzle store, my main store, Miss Rhoadie. And with this store, I want to edit the titles, text, and descriptions to some of my old products that hasn't been viewed in a while. So I go to sort, last view date, and then I scroll all the way down and I hit this arrow, and it's going to take me to products that haven't been viewed in a long time, because you can see them, they have the red. So I already added this product, so I'm going to edit this one right here. Okay, unique red and purple stripes, iPhone 8 case. So I'm going to change unique pretty. Here's my description. Stunning, unique, and one of a kind. This design features red and purple stripe design. So I'm going to have to change that sentence. This case will protect your precious iPhone from scratches, falls, and daily wear and tear. Made from form-fitting, durable plastic material. Sometimes you will even catch mistakes when you're editing, because I didn't know I had calls instead of case. But your name, logo, or graphics, purchase yours today. So I'm going to keep the first part, stunning, unique, and one of a kind. This iPhone red and purple striped pattern. Right here I'm going to delete this part, because the description of the phone case on Zazzle's page already has information that tells you about how durable the case is. So I'm just going to stick to mostly describing my design. Unique and one of a kind, this iPhone case design features a red and purple stripe pattern. I'm going to write U, name, logo, your name, logo, photo, or graphics. Makes a great gift for a loved one. Now always end it with a call to action. Purchase yours today. Okay, so tags. Okay, so sometimes I look at it just to get ideas. Okay, so red, purple, stripes, pattern, colorful, trendy. Oops, I didn't mean to do that. Okay, because you want to make sure your tags all say something different, that you're not repeating tags. So if I have red here, I don't have to write colorful red, you know. I'm going to get rid of sturdy and heavy duty and best. And what I like to do is just look at the Zazzle Marketplace for inspiration. So, phone cases. Okay, so phone cases, I can see right here that some of their popular tags would be stylish. So I'm going to make sure it's stylish because that pertains to it. Girly and monogram. So I'm going to put stylish and girly because, and I'll just click on stylish just to, well, no, I just click on phone cases just to get. Okay, and this says modern, trendy, girly, because I get a lot of ideas for tags from just typing in the product. Modern, trendy, girly, fashionable, female, glitter, chic. Okay, so we see. So I'm going to write modern. And make sure I have 10. All right. And I check that. Okay. Okay, and I'm done editing the title, tag, and description. So now what I want to do, I want to click on it so I can get a view. So it can take it out of the red. And I'm going to pin it to Pinterest. Because that was one thing I failed to do when I was designing in the beginning, was I didn't always share on social media, and Pinterest is my most popular social media, which gets me the results that I'm looking for. So I'm going to share it to Pinterest, to electronics and gadgets, and iPhone cases. Because I have a board called electronics and gadgets.